Are you looking for the best trim router bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best trim router bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BOSCH 15-piece Carbide-Tipped wood router bit set. The BOSCH 15-piece Carbide-Tipped wood router bit set is a durable and versatile set of router bits designed for processing both soft and hard wood as well as wood composites. With a micrograin carbide-tipped router bit design, the set delivers precision and consistently smooth finish cuts with superior wear resistance. The set is multi-purpose, with 15 varied bits that can be used for finishing in a wide range of applications. The set also includes an anti-friction coating that minimizes residue buildup and a convenient plastic storage case for easy transportation and storage. Up next in the 4th place is the Wolfride Flush Trim Router Bit Set. The Wolfride Flush Trim Router Bit Set includes 4 industrial-grade carbide cutters with 1/4 inches shank top bearing, cutting diameters of 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2. The precision ground cutters create a smooth cutting surface for finishing solid wood, MDF, chipboard, plywood, and more. To ensure safe use, securely tighten the shank with 3/4 insertion before operating the tool. The 3rd product on our list is the ZOKMOK Flush Trim Router Bit Set. ZOKMOK's 1/4 shank carbide template top bearing flush trim bit set features high-quality C3 blades and bearings for sharper and smoother wood trimming. This durable and handy home workshop DIY kit is perfect for wood pieces copy, pattern, and trim work on various woods, MDF, laminate, particle board, plywood compact panel, acrylic, and more. It is generally applicable and suitable for all major universal 1/4 shank benchtop router tables. Plus, ZOKMOK offers a 30-day quality guarantee. Second on our list is the FivePears Flush Trim Router Bit Set. Introducing the FivePears Trim Router Bits, a set of high-quality carbide inserts that bring you a smoother experience and long-lasting durability. With an anti-kickback design, these router bits provide higher stability and less vibration, ensuring a safer operation. Suitable for various materials such as wood, MDF, particle board, plywood, and acrylic, these bits are versatile and efficient. Whether you're using a CNC or handheld router, these bits are perfect for woodworking, engraving, and edge trimming. Plus, with a cutting diameter range of 1/2 inches and cutting lengths ranging from 3/4 inches to 1/112, you'll have the right tool for any project. Experience the convenience and reliability of FivePears Trim Router Bits today. Finally, the top product on our list is the CSOOM 8-PCS Router Bit Set. The CSOOM Router Bit Set includes 8 essential pieces designed for woodworking tasks. It features 4 flush trim bits and 4 pattern flush trim bits, all made with durable K10 tungsten carbide blades that ensure quick and efficient cutting. You'll also appreciate the inclusion of 2 impact magnetic bits, 6 bearings, and 2 wrenches, providing you with everything needed for your projects. Each bit is carefully packaged to prevent damage during shipping, ensuring you receive them in perfect condition. This set is ideal for trimming and edging on various wooden materials, making your DIY projects and home improvements easier. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.